I'm going to be sharing 2 free Udemy courses on HTML and CSS. Because I'm going to list in here, all the tutorials are completely free. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Uzo and I'm a full-time Nigerian student who is trying to break into tech as a front-end developer. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing out a list of HTML and CSS YouTube tutorials and courses that helped me and so many other beginners in trying to become a front-end developer. I don't want this video to be too long, so to make it easy for you guys, I'm going to be putting pictures of each video or each course I'm going to be sharing on here, and I'll also try my best to link them in the description box. And watch this video to the end because I'm going to be sharing 2 free Udemy courses on HTML and CSS that are completely free with free certifications also. And note, all the courses I'm going to list in here, all the tutorials are completely free. Everything here is free for students or for anybody who is trying to learn HTML and CSS. Now, in no particular order, number 1 on my list is supersimple.dev on YouTube. I personally love this video. It was one of the videos I used in learning HTML and CSS. Why I love this tutorial so much is that the guy, oh my god, he listed everything. Like, he taught everything bit by bit. He didn't skip any step. If he's writing something, he's explaining what that thing is meant for. If you're a beginner, if you don't even know HTML and CSS at all, I would recommend this video to you. Do try it out. And the one reason I also love that tutorial so much is because at the end of every section, he's always going to put exercises, series of exercises. In the whole video, which is about 6 hours long, there are over 200 exercises that are going to help you in mastering the craft of HTML and CSS. Number 2 on my list is Bro Code HTML and CSS course on YouTube. I have not used this one personally, but I know people that have used this course. It's about 4 hours long and it's very nice. I've taken the guy's JavaScript course and I can attest that I loved his JavaScript course so much, so his HTML course is also going to be good as well, so you can check it out. The picture is going to be on the screen. Now, number 3 on my list is freecodecamp.org. Some of you might have heard about this one because it's quite popular. Freecodecamp has both a YouTube channel and a website as well, and on Freecodecamp the advantage is that both the course and the certification is 100% free. I personally have their certification in web development, and it just talked about HTML and CSS. Now, if you want to start with a crash course, I should have mentioned this earlier, you can check out Programming with Smosh HTML and CSS course. Now, this one will not teach you in depth what HTML and CSS are, but it's going to teach you the basics. It's about 1 minute long, but you can just start with it. Okay, now if you're the type that loves reading documentations, or after watching a video you still want to read, or you are not the visual learner, you are more of a reader, yeah, sorry. You're more of a reader, you can check out w3school.com. Why I personally love W3 School is that when you are watching a tutorial video or when you are building a project and you are trying to understand something, or you've forgotten a HTML code, or you're just trying to do something, you can go on W3 School and check it out. Most times you will get solution to your problem, and W3 School don't just have resources on HTML and CSS only, they also have on React, JavaScript, so many programming language and frameworks as well. Now, the next thing I'll be talking about is HTML course on Code Academy. This one is just on HTML and it's a course. I'm not sure if the certification is free, but you guys can check it out. I'm going to put the link in the description box of this video. Now, to the moment of truth. Drum rolls, please. The 2 Udemy courses I'm going to be sharing is going to be linked in the description box. It's a free Udemy course on HTML and CSS, and the certification is also free. You can just go to my description box, you see the links there, and you can check them out. Now, these and many more are a list of HTML and CSS courses that I have listed. There are so much more. If you are not satisfied with what I have shared right now, you can go on YouTube and search HTML and CSS full course or HTML and CSS course, or you can go on Google and also research more. But with these resources I've shared, and you follow each and every one of them, you should become a pro in HTML and CSS. And one tip I'm going to be giving you is that while learning HTML and CSS, practice, build stuff. You don't have to build a full website. You can learn how to create a button today and just try to implement it in one way or the other. Okay, it's going to help you understand it even better. When following those tutorial videos, code along. Don't just watch the whole videos. Learn to code along with the tutor. It will help you better. Okay, so guys, I've come to the end of this video. Please do want to subscribe to my channel, like this video so that so many other people can see it as well, and please turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video, because I'm going to be posting every Sunday, Wednesday and Fridays, and you don't want to miss them. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.